Welcome to Swimming Hole Heaven. I'm Brad Neal and this is the Canoe Pool in Newcastle, New South Wales. But don't go bringing your canoe down here expecting to go for a paddle, because this is about the deepest the water gets over most of the pool. It's like a giant sandbar, but with a protective wall all around to stop it being battered by the surf. It's at the back of a rock shelf, right next to the Newcastle Ocean Baths. It's great for kids, or simply if you want to come down and laze around in the water. With excellent views of the Newcastle Esplanade, beach and headland, and the occasional wave rippling into the pool. If you want to find out more details about the canoe pool and other swims around Newcastle, visit swimmingholeheaven.com.